Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on site at My Hot Cars in San Ramon again, and today we have a good one. We have a 1967 Shelby GT500 with a 428 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. You can't get much better than that, guys, so check it out. More information down below and also at the end of the video as far as contact information and how to find out more about this car. Next week we'll be back at the exotic car show, so we have some Ferraris and some Lamborghinis to show you next week. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.